99% of all the Pakistan shops, they are not complying. And why is the municipality quiet?
.013 Golden Circle, another day, another dollar. Sibuyile futhi with yet another exciting episode. Yabona mina isitulo sami ngiyasithanda. Ngisithanda ngendlela emangalisayo because I'm always blessed to have influential people la eceleni kwami. Ukuthi isibindi sokubafonela ngibabize ukuthi ngisithatha angazi. Khwitsi Modimo kwaShabatswana. Next to me ngihleli nomuzi kaYise Nkosi. Indoda enkulu ekhulele la eMalahleni. Ngiyamazi ubujita sikhula sonke la eMalahleni yeah, so ithu mawugcwele idaka nami bengicwele idaka. Mawugcwele idust nami bengicwele idust. Awuthi yami angeke ngikhuluma okuningi into engizoyisho mhlambe nje ukuthi thank you very much for honoring the invitation masikufonela sithi mfo siyawubona umsebenzi wakho omuhle owenzayo. Sicela ukuthi uzosibusisa nathi la etradini zegolide. Yimthola. So thank you very much for coming and azange ukuthi hayi khumza mfeti makancane. But ke before sichubeka ke kindly tell our viewers ukuthi nguwe bani ubhenqe ngantoni ngesixhosa.
Alright, igama lami umuzi kaYise Sibonga wakaNkosi. I am born and bred la eMalahleni. Yeah, khumutso ngiyamazi kakhulu. Maze sathanda ukutona isicathulo lapha. I think beyafunda eVuma.
Yeah, bengifunda eVuma uyakena bengidlula lapha ekhayikini every day.
So ithu nje besizilenda nje ungasibona siso behlala bomiste. So I think I was once Mr. Primary.
Lucky for you mfethu mina
Just before ngeTP Slilo.
Mina bengiloku ngidliwa agcine.
No, for sure. Yeah, this is Muzi. I'm born and bred like Belahleni. I love the Lord. I am born again. I am married. I'm blessed with 2 children. And I am a assistant pastor of Life Abundance Bible Church International, Siyanqoba. Yeah.
Nabafundisa shuthi kahle namkosele nyoba umfundisi shuthi kosele kuba umfundisi nini bengihleli no Pastor Jabaro yayazi indoda enkulu mawulapha ekhayini lapha ekhayiki bona yara uyakubona I'm sure wombona every day but yeah njengoba uyisho briefly nje ukuthi ukhulele la eMalahleni ufunde nkonjane waya eSlilo mfo ungirobhila okakashongo next cela uyiqalele phansi impahla yakho because we are here this is all about you.
Okay.
Yeah, mina ngikhulumela futhi mfethu lama episode onke la buya alimuva solo kuyimi pepe
namhlanje yabona ngokuvele olo kanje kakhulu but yeah I'm born and bred eMalahleni ngifunde nkonjane primary school mangisuka khona ngaye Thomas Phesi Sililo mangisuka khona ngaye Tshwane University of Technology where I acquired my computer engineering certificate and I also did software development course. So I've played sports. Ngiyakhumula le time ngisese ne Ferrometals tournament.
Yeah,
I think bengidlalela iBlackpool becoachwa u Kaizer. Yeah, behlala nabo Tshepo Maselela.
Yeah.
So that's where I come from. Ngiyenzile okuningi man bengicula esikoleni bengenza bo Mr. bengidansa. So kuningi okwenzile nje nga contester and then after I think at age 17 yeah I think I was doing grade 11 I met Pastor James Mabuza yeah osonta eFaith Tabernacle ngaphansi kwa Apostle uClan Makama
James Nyambo.
Yes, after yeah beshumayela sonke elokaji TP Slilo assembly. So very after I met Pastor Clan Makam, Apostle Clan Makam, then my life changed totally. Totally. That man, he groomed me to become the man I am today. And he taught me how to love myself, how to dress nice, how to smell nice, how to have a purpose in life. So he's the man that actually shaped most of my life and my decisions in Bilwen. Yeah. That's me.
And then once upon a time, we were fortunate to be blessed by Apostle Emmanuel Clan Makam.
Yes.
Yeah, because what Magas introduced our show to Emmanuel. Yes. But yeah, childhood yakho mfowethu ngiyazi mina bengihlala ngikubona la eLinville. Take us through your childhood. How was it? Isimo mhlambe ekhaya growing up. before zonke lezi zinto lezo uzibalile kuthi ekhaya mhlawumbe isilungu.
Yeah, mina ngikhulela ku family enkulu.
Sure.
Yeah, I think I was blessed with 7 sisters.
Sure.
And then I was the only boy. And I was the last born.
Yeah.
So Baba Momo is late Mofet Nkosi. And then my mom is still alive. God bless her. And then I'm left with only 3 sisters. And then the first one was Shonang Sesemncane, she just after matric. And then the other 3 were shown during the period of COVID.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm only left with 3 sisters. And then ngikhule nje ngumfana hostel yet o active esikoleni. Actually ngasho ukuthi intwana yama TV game. I think that's what inspired me ukuthi ngicine sengenza ama IT nani.
The Super Mario.
Yeah, because abo Super Mario bedlala abo Pac-Man and all these things. So the TV game ngihlale nginayo. I think there's 2 or 3 ama TV ngike waphula ekhaya. So vele behlala sicabana vele mangibuya esikoleni I would just play ama games, then from then sambe so ngidlala nama Cheetah, ama Power Rangers, Contra, all those things. Oh, another thing that I want to tell you something about Jabbar.
Sure.
I don't think Uchu will have a problem. He can even testify about this.
Yeah.
Jabbar behlala ibhola.
Yes.
Dlala ibhola. Jabbar beyi-star.
Yeah.
Apusha lo Cheetah, apusha.
Unomoya.
Unomoya.
Njengoba nomoya manje.
Yeah.
Yakaphezulu.
So lo moya igil dala ukhona kuye. How sisahleli sizadlalela ibhola sibuye I think besidlala ibhola le ehostela liphezulu.
Yeah.
After ukudlala ibhola siyabuya sahla ngisho isection yabo la ekhaya seMandela village. Asihleli lapha asidla ama chips. Basidla ama chips uJabbar uGents mina I'm leaving this thing. Sithi ipinto manje Jabbar oda wena manje I'm going to serve God forever.
Yeah.
No cherry, no soccer,
Yeah.
no what.
Uyofocus kuNkulunkulu.
Jabbar since that day
Yeah.
until to date, I think he has kept that.
Yeah, and makathi waqala sakudlala.
Yeah.
And abantu bebangamfateli koptu, but they are
Yes.
uphushile. I think kunayo 20 years agijima kule nto. More than 20, ne? Yeah.
Phela uJabbar when we decided to serve uNkulunkulu, we were still young. I think I was ngisafunda nenkonjane by then.
Besizintwana vele.
Yeah,
Besizintwana.
Yeah, ngikhulele la eKasi, born and bred. Yeah, nginabo auntie bahlala ezinambeni. Nobhuti omkhulu uButvuso sehlalani kahle. I think ngihlalele la kakhe. Ngihlalele 14 and then most of the time ngihlale la elokishini. And then I think I've got a brother umntana kaanti wami uBudingiswayo uhlala eTasbet. I think ngahlala naye kakhe. So I've been around nje kanje throughout here.
From Nkonjane, what typically?
Typically, I was a good boy, yet a naughty boy.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie. I was a good boy and good in books. And then I think life changed when some of my friends basala kumayama grades. Then obviously what changes into.
Yeah.
And then when I matriculated on that year, that's when I decided to accept Jesus Christ as the Lord and Savior of my life. Then the spectrum of my life changed.
Manje, how was the transition now changing from being an ordinary guy, if I can put it like that?
Yeah.
Being an ordinary guy, umchita wasekasi, uskima ma-out, nini. Hayi, wena so ibamba ngapha mzalo wale line.
Yeah.
Yakena mos like us ukuthi kunjani.
For sure.
Nini Moses siyajikela songumfundisi hayi pusha ke. How was the transition like?
Hey, the transition was very, very tricky. Like many people did not believe because I remember when Pastor Glenn ashumayela.
Sure.
Manye esontweni lakhe benginomunye usisi lapha. Ngiyembolile vele ngathi yabona lo ngiyamlanda.
Okay.
Mangifika la ngibamba ivangeli.
Yeah.
La ngivamba. But the transition yami, I think even wamanje, even people that are close to me, they can testify. I am not this person who's going to judge you ukuthi uyaphuza, who's going to judge you ukuthi ubelievela whatever you believe. I believe ukuthi yonke into in a transition.
Yeah.
So kule transition le it was very tricky because mangifika lapha, I think kunomama bebathu Ingrid. Yeah, Master Duksindesa was busy winning a room, and she spoke with us. One of the things that she said, wathi yabona labo chero nabo nalaba nganabo nabo.
Yeah.
Kosubalahle manje.
Yeah, hence I'm asking about the transition. Sure.
So I think it was on Sunday. Then on a Monday, I think I did not tell my wife this, but I think I had 3 girlfriends then. Slilo. So all of them I had to tell them ukuthi I mina sengisindisiwe. Lento kujola ngeke ngisayenza. Yeah. And then obviously I had friends abaphuzayo. Even now I've got people and also families abaphuzayo. So I don't judge them because lento ingakafikanga kuwe akumelanga ukuthi uyimpose over kwabantu, because when you do that you push them away. At the end of the day singabantu, we're going through a lot, but I'm not like advocating with bantu baphuze. But I don't judge them ukuthi abantu abaphuzayo. Instead I take them through, because yonke into esi-experience our life in is based on the decisions that you take daily. So even nokuyekela ukuphuza, because even loku kuba busy nje ngakuyekela before ngisindiswa, because ngiyakhumbula ngelinye ilanga sizivalele siyogroova ePola. Cabo Provide, one of my friend. Some mixa lapha ngaphuza overmeer, ngaphuza Hunter's Dry, ngaphuza ndoda ngaba izombi. Ngaba izombi the following day ngagula totally. I think ngagula for over 5 days. Then I decided ukuthi lento le ayingisizi ngcono ngiyekela. Then I started to do whatever, some so groove senze whatever, but ukuphuza ngithi no angisaphuzi.
Yeah, because ngifikelwe yenye idea la equation mawukhuluma ukuthi like on that Sunday and then on Monday wayovele ulahla kwasani chero ukuthi did it just become like a metanoia ukuthi vele radical change all of a sudden, or it was something that we were contemplating on, because it's not that easy.
Yeah,
it's not that easy to say no ngiyekela yonke into manje sengibhekana na lento le engikhethayo manje. The reason I'm saying all of this is, what were the challenges now that you are starting to come across as bathini born again? Yes.
Not much of a challenge. It's just ukuthi you become a different figure. You become a different character. But at the same time, we should not forget ukuthi siphila emhlabeni. We should not forget ukuthi siphila nabantu esibathandayo. So ama challenges angabe khona, it's just ukuthi you had to let people know what you believe in and also stick to that.
Yeah.
And as you stick to that, there are things vele ongeke usaziyenze lezo ongasa like kholelwa kuzo. But akusho ukuthi when you do that because uyenze ngendlela edelelayo.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuthi ekhaya bathi nawo ekhaya kunomsebenzi, and then hayi nyekeleni mina hey I'm born again. You just explain to them, you tell them what you can do and what you cannot do. Yabona bese from lapho you support whatever bayenza ekhaya, and you become a child. You know, you become a child. I think the biggest mistake that other people they do when they get saved, they bayakhohlwa ukuthi bantwana.
Sure.
And ikhaya nekhaya linomthetho wakhona. So kokunye you make your parents understand your beliefs, and you make your parents understand ukuthi what you will do and what you will not do. And when you do that in a respectable way, at the end of the day abazali bagcina seba, you know.
Was there something specific lekwenzile on that day, since you said you were eyeing somebody and then wathintwa yizwi? Was it something that you like contemplated on to say no, one day I want to do this, but then it's just something that just happened nje without you expecting?
Yazi, I love that question, but ngisaba ukuthi manyongena kuyo kakhulu ngicina ngishumayela.
It's fine, shumayela. Ngisho mhlambe nami I'll end up being converted. You'll never know.
I think Pastor Glenn was preaching about the covenant between God and Jacob.
Sure.
I think in Genesis chapter 28. So there was a situation where Jacob was experiencing. And then in that situation, he could do things in his own way, but God's way was not in that thing. So, kuyo yonke into bekayenza bengaphumeleli. And then God came and made a covenant with him. Ukuthi, if you would follow me and do whatever, mina, I'm gonna back you up in everything that uyenzayo. So sometimes kunezinto eziningi esizenzayo, but zonke lezi zinto lezo, they don't fulfill our soul. They don't fulfill whatever we feel inside. And then when uLokaji Jacob had a covenant with God, ukuthi I will be with you wherever you are. Wherever you go, uLokaji Jacob wayenza icovenant noNkulunkulu wathi Nkosi makube wena uthi uzoba nami kuyo yonke into. Then ngikhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu, wamkhombisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu. But in that into eyangithinta kakhulu ukuthi sometimes kunezinto esizenzayo and esizenza abantu babe right, babe happy nani, but the issue is the soul. Is your soul in line with God? Is your soul at peace? Because kunenginto enginoticile, I think abanye abantu they just hide it. I wonder sometimes lo mjida lo ukuthi masihlangane sonke ushaya ama jokes uyahleka wenzani. Such a person, psychologically, his soul is not at peace. He becomes at peace when he does whatever and mock other people as jokes. But mohlala nayo on one, there are struggles ahlangabezana nawo.
Because whatever that he's doing, it's actually a projection.
It's a projection.
It's a projection of
and
what
trying
he's going
to divert the actual head econ. But when you start to have a conversation or a relationship with God, you'll find yourself at peace. You'll find yourself at peace in whatever decision oyenzayo, in whatever thing oyikhulumayo, you'll find yourself at peace.
Abo achoose ke bathini ke phela uyabona ke manje so yabona whatever uyenzayo, whatever uyikhulumayo, obviously nomcondo nenkulumo siyichinchile. Abo achoose bathini ke?
Abo achoose njengoba ngishilo ukuthi transition yami azange ibe ngathini abnormal. I choose. But ezinye izinto yasenza, ezinye izinto awuzenzi. There were decisions sometimes ukuthi they decide to go somewhere. And ngiyazi ukuthi lapho baya khona obvious utshwala, obvious izimeli, yabona. So I'll tell them no singadisha sicoce senze konke, yabona. And then sichubeke sinjalo. I've got friends even now. I choose them since the transition. Even now, they are still my friends. Yes, sifaka lezi zinto la, shama pomade. So they are friends in Sesenabo, because I don't think being born again, you must cut people out of your life. Instead, you must teach them, or you must preach to them. And ngalento le econvertile. But the best preacher of everything in this world, it's your character. Your character,
because
your character, before you can stand on the pulpit and say Shakaba Sanda or Shumayela, whatever, your character should be the main thing against ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi umuntu osindisiwe. Don't be all over and then claim also ukuthi ungumntana.
Mara mawuthi uyabheka madala side kuthiwa umfundisi.
But nangu umfundisi somthola sekahamba kwezinye izindawo sekayenza ezinye izinto. Your character should be very straight. Ungabe umuntu othi you love the Lord but lifestyle yakho it's opposite.
You're not practicing what you preach.
Yes.
So now your life, because obviously you said when you were in matric, that's when you accepted the Lord as your savior. Obviously now masongene tertiary uzigijima zonke ke ngoba ngiyabona nasesikolweni ku-SRC wonke lama leadership position ayakulandela. So was it the conduct of you being umzalwane, or there's a certain leadership quality that you possess that made the people to say uyabona masingakhetha umuzi la sizoba great?
I think enye into nje ekhona in all the grades benguwo from grade 1 until grade 12.
Sure.
I think I'm a grade I7. I've been a class rep.
Yeah.
A class rep. Why? Because I believe in fairness and I also believe in talking isn't or the ways in a corner.
Yeah.
So fortunately, when I transited from matric to tertiary,
Yeah.
being sengisonta Apostle Clan Magam. So the first thing I involved myself with SCO, Student Christian Organization. I involved myself there. And I make sure ukuthi vele into yokusonta ngiyaqhubeka nayo.
Sure.
So with that, I think lapho bekusesenabo Sylvester nomunye umfana wakasibanyoni osembalenhle. So vele ngaba involved fully there. My first year, 2004. Ne, it's UT.
Yeah.
Ngaba involved. Too involved.
TUT khona la down.
Like TUT lapha a game.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I was walking to TUT. I asked myself, why laba bafana bamanje bafuna ukuhike and it lie down?
Yeah.
Because remember, my father passed away when I was still young. So my mom, she had 2 salaries. Bekasebenza eKliffontein, omunye umlungu bathi uFenter. And then plus akhole imali kababa elokanje ipension.
Time lapho belisipana ku Eskom.
Yeah. So my mom had to take one of her salary and dedicate it to me. So leyo salary was only covering tuition fees.
Sibling la rival ithini ke leso sikhathi or suppose sister seba grand ba Groti.
No, luckily sister bambe sebaqedile. I think sister just after mina uzanele Nkosi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think beseka matriculateile. Benginenge isikolo secomputer lapha kaMtsuki.
Yeah.
So bekafunda lapha. So umama wathi, "Hey mfana wami, la ufuna kuyakhona nginamali. The only mali engayibhadala is tuition fee." Ukuthi ngiyodlani akazi
Yeah.
ngiyofika njani angazi.
Yeah.
So I told my mom ukuthi mama just pay me only for this year.
Yeah.
Only for this year. So I was working from Elithuli
Sure.
to a TUT.
Uyibamba via
Yes, in
Coronation.
overline.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, overline man ngithi hamba la phezulu. Khuphuka ethala.
Yeah. Via coronation.
Yawona le bridge lela
Yes, yeah.
moyehla la
Yes.
eAla Vegas.
Sure,
The time
Ala
angazi manje seyini.
But yeah, Ala Vegas. Yeah. Asibize ngenkathi zethu
Yeah.
bro.
Boyehla khona.
Yeah.
Bese immediately ngifike epark.
Sure.
Then thathi lapho ngisula izicathulo.
Ipark manje sesile phezulu King George. Yeah.
Yeah, King George.
Yeah.
Sula izicathulo. Sengihambe down phela manje.
Yeah, so say up.
Ngiyafika lapha TUT. I relax bengisuka ngabo 6:15 ekuseni. And bengifika lapha ngabo 7:10.
Sure.
Ama class bewacala ngo8. So 7:30 SC.
Umzalwane leso sikhathi ubhizi ushaya ingoma yathandaza. Ngeke umane uhambe. Ngeke umane uhambe phela uyakuthwala.
So yeah, I was doing that. I ngabamba for the whole year.
Sure.
And then I passed with distinctions. And I got NSFAS. I'm a product of NSFAS. After lapho ngafunda nge-NSFAS.
Ayibona iNSFAS ivezana imikhaba then ufuna umkhaba because of NSFAS.
So yeah, ilowo. So yabo sengilahlekile.
Akwalahleki silapha eTUT umagogo bekabhadala.
Oh yes, umagogo wathi the only money she had ukuthi ubhadala ama tuition.
Sure.
So ukuthi bengihamba ngezinyawo, ngibuye ngezinyawo. Yabo ngihambe ngezinyawo, ngibuye. Okay, ukubuya ke at least bengibuya after lapho ngirenke down yabo just ukuthatha umoya. After lapho ngiyofika ekhaya endlini. So lokho kwangisiza ukuthi ngibe discipline. At the same time ngiyaseva phela esontweni.
Yeah.
I'm a child of God, ngiyenza konke. So kuloko I think after kuphela lo nyaka loyo angikazi disappoint umama. Angikazi disappointed. I think umamami when she had me she was 40. So now that I am 41 years old, she's 81. So when I 1919 bengise TUT angisho.
Sure.
Yes, the following year ngayenza IT course and then kwaqala kwavulisa iVoice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Then kwaba nesinye isitolo bathi Incredible Connection. sama-computer.
Yeah.
Yes. Yavulwa yithi Incredible Connection.
Amadoda amadala all
Yavula yo ize igcwele nje yavula yithi but
Yeah.
lapho bekunomunye ubaba bathi Peter Makam.
yeah
Yeah, bekasonta nathi eFit Tabernacle, he was a sales manager. So I applied for that work. Luckily mangithi now Peter so
mzalwane.
sonta sonke
Wenzani
mzalwane then ngangena ke
Woza.
then ngasebenza lapho ke so mangisebenza lapho the reason why ngifuna ukuhighlight lo
Sure.
mangisebenza lapho I took can I just say the figure but my mom I don't think uzoba ne problem. So my mom la bekasebenza khona she was earning 1,400 per month.
yeah
So when I got that job, I told her to resign. I'm gonna give her the same money that she was earning. First year bekaloka contemplate yini ngathi no yekela. The same money uzokunika yona. So when you casually, basic casual it was 800. The rest it was commission.
sure
So in that I made sure ukuthi my mom is like taken care of. Yeah. Then I'm nigga. Just a year before Nglobola, that's when she said no, I manje. So I stop.
una resilience ebekupush. I'm fascinated about the fact that izinto zakho awuzenzi nje.
Yeah.
But there's always a motive behind.
When my father passed away,
Yeah.
my mom told me 2 things that will make your life better. It's God and education. So I grabbed those words and I ran with them.
From nyangamba manje.
Yeah.
Ngiyaphuma incredible because I'm seeing ukuthi you've got usebenzile ndoda with Bancation Care Haifa Corporation incredible. Oh, uthe incredible.
Magfika Incredible.
Yeah.
With bank.
Yes.
Safeways.
Yeah.
Asebenza Incredible.
Haifa
And then Haifa yeza after.
yes
Last about the River Crescent.
yeah.
So their salary was best, was good.
Yeah.
Move la corner. Remember, Incredible there was a casual.
Sure.
So a Haifa there was a casual, but he basically gonna be right. So I'm move le Haifa.
Still umagogo usesena lo mculo
Yeah.
ukuthi yekela.
Ngamekelisa. Yeah, ngamekelisa.
Mama uchinda ispani. Mawuphuma ngapha ungena ngapha uthini magogo?
No, it's transition phela.
Oh,
Akusikuthi ngikuyo
Yeah.
ngisho small man.
Yeah.
So ngachubeka ke ngalo ngimnika. So I Haifa mayifika offer yakhona be sharp.
Yeah.
And then Incredible Connection decided ukuthi mina mangifuma from a Haifa ngibuyela Incredible. It's when Incredible Connection iyovula enye branch Highfield Mall. And then kwaba ne permanent post. So I had to go back to Incredible. Yeah.
So bambi position now.
Yeah.
From because I'm seeing here also SGB industrial cleaning. Obviously bowenza lezi zinto zishayile futhi IT GC construction. Then asize la you now establishing your own what you call your own business now.
Yeah, internet cafe.
Sure.
Yeah, I did internet cafe because I believed that it's in line with what I do. Yeah, boy. You give me a laptop, ngiyayithatha ngibusele ibe right. You give me a computer, ngiyayithatha ngibusele ibe right. You give me something to type, ngiyaytype manje ngiyayiceda. So anything IT, yabona ngeke ukhona.
Now what motivated you now to say no, I'm going this route, opening up internet cafe because yabona ligama lelibhesa khita ku Muzi Nomusa. What's the story behind Muzi Nomusa? Or Muzi Nomusa or Muzi Nomusa?
All right, internet cafe, when I decided to open the internet cafe and focus on it, it's when I took a decision because I'm sure besengisindisiwe. So my next goal was ukuthi mangithatha umuntu esifazane because ngimthathele with the purpose ukuthi ngifuna ukumshada.
Njengoba ngishiza ukuthi awuyenzi into nje kuthiwa umani uyayenza.
Yeah, ngoba
There's
ngifuna
always a
ukumshada.
motive behind.
So I opened i company,
Sure.
Muzi Nomusa Pty Ltd. So igama lithi Muzi lami.
Yes.
Nomusa igama lakamkami.
Yeah.
Her second name.
Yeah.
Sithandwa Nomusa Thembinkosi.
Yeah.
So
Hayi kwenze njani no ku-grand yazwa ne ngiyalibona ligama enhle kuvele ngicabangile vele ukuthi hayi la uyabona umadam kusho ukuthi ube nenhlanhla grand ukuthi ukuthole vele sowuthe uba umzalwane ngicabanga
Akusiyinhlanhla grand. I think nami ngibe nenhlanhla.
Yeah.
Because umntana ifrolam vele likhulele esontweni.
Sure.
Yeah, umntana ka Stenton. Braste.
Yeah.
Lo batex.
Yeah.
Baba kaDof.
Yawela.
Yeah. So incosi yakhe.
Yeah.
So you can imagine.
Udanga ufuna ukwenza
So ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga ngimcheckile sahamba ngase college. Hey, wavela sahamba ngele caravel grey.
Yeah.
Hey, so wangibreacha that day.
Yeah.
But wathi wenza nalomntana ngathi baba ngiyamthanda umntana wakho. Wenza nalomntana ngiyamthanda umntana wakho. Well, gibela wena. Vele from that day azange ngisakhuluma naye up until sengiyolobola.
Yazi ngitshela incosi yami nini besihleli sibukela iTV ngathi ngize ngive umfana uzodatanda uzangitshela ukuthi uthanda nangu uhleli lapho ngitshele net so now how was it ikwenze wafila njani bro phela nawu ungumzalwane uzivayela nensize yakho timer
And it was very
nikuphi lapha estradini sakho
lapha ekhaya lethu.
oh yeah ufunani le phezulu
No, angisho phela kagogo wakhe kuselikhwala. So manje bekathi makasukile la ijiyana yovakashela ikhwala.
Yeah.
Bengimthola lula ngoba ijiyana phela kunezinja. So bongeke umane vele.
yabo akunama cellphone
And anginama cellphone lezo ngadi lezo.
Yeah.
So the only time bengikhona ukumthola ukuthi ngiyovakasha ka Bishop Msibi. Nokuthi ngiyeka lo kanje.
Clever, yeah.
So she was the reason why ngihighlighta lo ukuthi akusukuthi yena ube blessed ngoba uthole mina.
sure
Nami ngibe blessed ngoba ngithole yena because like yena vele usonte her whole life.
Yeah.
Mina at least ngiphilile lempilo lokuphuza ukujola ukugroova but yena like Sunday school I think baqale alliance then basonte Rock of Ages and then bezala ka Bishop Msibi.
masoqala leshishini leli umuzi nomuzi obvious umagajana wadazi nathi simbheke lo mfana ukuthi usimisele
Yeah, so Sapusha Nifrolam man. Sapusha. She's a very patient woman, prayerful woman.
yeah
Prophetess.
so izinto ziyenzeka vele kuthiwa you are childhood what you call lovers
Yes.
yeah but maniqala beningazi next nokuthi
I mean, I was doing first year at UT.
Yeah.
And she was matriculating.
yena ngizokukhathlela ngiyithimeline ngizojayela umntwana mama
So since then, like 2006, see Pusha Lent until to date. Yeah.
njengoba bengikhuluma ngama leadership skills andoda hayi no yabona into zakho lana zibhaya kawu
Yeah.
zibhaya njengoba ushiza ukuthi ube i-class rep 7 times
Yeah.
you chairperson FTF mina bo FTF mina bese ngizicabangela ifada zangitshela ukuthi FTF imeleni akusifada uzayisho grand sharp young adult chairperson pastor in training siyabuya lapho ku pastor in training student Christian organization chairperson deputy secretary SGPU baba asiye lapho ku la pastor in training
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi when I got born again,
yeah
my life and my character and my leadership and my whole being, it was through the assistance of Lord Apostle Glenn Makam.
yeah
Remember, I said my father passed away while I was 12 years.
sure
So when I got 17, I got born again. And then after Lapo, the only father figure that was before my eyes, it was Pastor Glenn.
okay.
Yeah, so one Roma. Anyway, mangfunde TUT, I think the following year, bese ngihamba naye. Yeah, ngoba beka jima lapha in health and what
Kelton Racket
health and record. Yeah, beka jima lapho, yabo. So maka the time isesele voice.
yeah
Makahamba vela ejimini bese kahamba nami. So nguye umuntu ongigrumile kakhulu. So obviously magoba nezibase ze leadership he would put me in yabo from good youth, young adults and also pastor.
so meaning therefore you've got the qualifications your theological qualifications to stand at the pulpit to say yengu pastor or useseku process
Ngasho ukuthi in terms of books or qualifications anginayo.
Okay.
But in terms of experience, I do have.
Liyafuneka ndo
Way
iphepha.
much better.
Liyafuneka iphepha yabona manje.
Paper already saying lo kanje. Okay.
Busy ngaphi?
I think ngizo highlight. Now I'm no longer part of a Faith Tabernacle. Saying Life Abundance Bible Church International under Bishop SB Zikhale was a Richards Bay. So he's got a school. So already we are studying from that school. But otherwise, I did a one year course. So a college Apostle Eddie Peck. The Soteria Bible School. Yeah, I was also part of that. So mina certificate salapho while I'm studying lapha.
Angisho yabona manje kwenzakalani la eMzansi bathi khipha iphepha ufuniso makahambe. Nawe uzothi usamile lapho uthi bathi lephi iphepha ayithula. Hlala
So
phansi.
with due respect, lawyer mama lawyer ikinta yenzayo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she's pushing a certain agenda.
Yeah.
But we're gonna pray God's grace upon her life.
Ne.
Yeah, this has nothing to do with qualification and stuff. It's just they're pushing a certain agenda.
Mfana
Which I don't want to.
yeah, no asingalo kanje siyahamba because kunento enye futhi oyiphushayo la. From Umuzi nomusa, now you've got your own foundation.
Yes.
Muzika Isenkosi Foundation, where you inspire the community spiritually, keep the social challenges, motivate, learning, learners, inspire positive changes. Kanjalo. Can you take us through yonke lento le? But first and foremost, yonke into mayichunakala. There's a reason why nami ngihleli la. Kunenye out mhlambe ayikena benifunda nayo rubeka iDeckman labo ufunda khona eSlibo uDumsana.
Yeah.
Mhlambe uyamkena ngokumbona. Umunye osuke wabana lo mcondo wathi ngihlale mara mina bengangize ngihlale ngenze lento. Bengangize ngenze uyangithola. So le out yavele yafaka lento le. Wena what motivated now to say ngifuna uqala ifoundation?
The reason why I decided to ngithathe foundation anyway izinto eziningi is through the inspiration of God and the relationship enginayo noNkulunkulu. So I believe wonke umuntu ophilayo emhlabeni has a purpose amele ayifulfill. I believe wonke umuntu ophilayo emhlabeni has an audience.
Yeah.
Amele influence. So mawufunda iBhayibheli in the book of Genesis chapter 12. uNkulunkulu he called Abraham to a land angayazi. And then he said, I will take you to the land and make you great. Yabo. And in him akhuluma ngendaba ukuthi is going to make you great. Uthi I'm going to make your name great. Your name great. So when I got that inspiration ukuthi uNkulunkulu is going to make my name great, the greatness that I'm going to make is in line with my name. So therefore I decided, let me do Muzika Isenkosi Foundation. The reason why I'm in the foundation is because one, I don't want to be limited by an institution or an organization. I want to do whatever uNkulunkulu reveals to me to do. It's not ukudelela or per se, but sometimes you belong to certain organization. Wonke ama organization anama institution, anani constitution, anama ngathini the way mele uziphathe ngakho.
Which gets to limit a person.
Gets to limit a person. And sometimes you need to speak things that you see ukuthi mhlawumbe that particular organization is not doing justice. So when I decided to do Muzika Isenkosi Foundation, it's because I don't want to be limited. Yeah. I don't want. If kuthi ngihambe you're inspired about something, a first man, angifuni ukuthi kube nalento le ukuthi no, you look at the name of the organization, how is it going to affect us as an organization? I don't want that. I want to be free to do whatever ukuze ngizokhona ukutouch everyone. uNkulunkulu inspire ukuthi ngitouch.
Now, since you are under the current, what you call your spiritual leader, and you're saying the reason why you've opened up the foundation is that so as not to get limited. Asithi bese sekayasho ukuthi kuwe endoda lapha 1 2 3 don't do that. how is your response going to be like? Because now you're saying I've opened this thing to do my own thing. So when you can't come and tell me, or
I think into mhlambe engayiletha ukuthi akusikuthi mangivula ngifuna ukuba rebellious or ukudelela yabo ngifuna ukuthi when God shows me something to do ngivele ngiyenze bangathi hayi yabona masibheki agenda yalana ku organization akumelanga yabo sewenze lokho. I think where I am now nala ngiseva khona, I think we had an understanding with the umfundisi ukuthi this is what God has shown me and this is what I'm gonna do.
indirectly, mhlambe, that was you asking for his permission.
Yeah, you can say, but angisho akumelanga wenze into. I think mawumntwana or mawungaphansi komholi,
Sure.
it's fair and it's wise ukuthi umholi wakho abe aware ukuthi what you are doing. Mhlambe if I can highlight some of the things engizofocus kuzo kakhulu. One is to do gospel concerts and revival. Two, I'm gonna do drug awareness programs. I'm gonna do charity programs. I'm gonna do educational programs. I'm gonna do leadership programs. I'm gonna do health programs. I'm gonna do entrepreneurial, programs.
Sure.
So the foundation will focus on that. Of which in some of the organizations affiliate kuwenzayo lawo ma program abanawo, or if banawo angeke bawayenze ngendlela that will touch as many people as it should. If you are being associated to a certain name or a certain organization, there is a certain crowd that you're not gonna pull. But mawube uya a stand-alone or a neutral organization, you can pull as many people as you can.
Kunenye of which it's very problematic, and most people tend to ignore it. They only highlight it whenever something has happened. The issue of mental health.
That's true.
The issue of mental health, in as far as us gents are concerned, you understand? Ngoba manje uzoba wathi nini na ukhumza ubhungulile kwenze njani ukhumza le ndoda beyinesibhoke enhloko nani your take, because I'm seeing in one of the things that my awareness, my social ills that you spoke about, social but in mental health.
Mental health, baba, ibalulekile. And I want to highlight this thing. The biggest enemy to every man who lives in this world is feminism. That is the biggest enemy. Why? Because we live in the times where young kinto is female.
Yeah.
What about the boy child?
I'm thinking,
What about the boy child? What about the man in terms of empowerment? It's easier, man. Mina ngitshela into clear. It's easy. Mina ngiphume la. Ngime la ekhoneni.
Sure.
Cisha the moonlight seyini manje.
Yeah, you.
Oh, moonlight. Ngime la ekhoneni moonlight.
Yeah.
Ngihike 10 cars azongidlula.
Sure.
Phuma imedi lime la. Li hike. Amile nje ilokashi. And yonke lento le iyenzeka so because it's an agenda. I'm not saying I'm against equality.
Yeah.
I'm against the concept because it disempowers men.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bangakhoni ukwenza anything abafuna ukuyenza. Uyafika umama umdala kuyakureba. You can't go and report a police station. Okuhleka. You understand? Yeah. Umunye afika nakhuluma navumelana. After lapho kufuna amavuso. Kube nivumelene. So mental health kakhulu affect amajita. Mangathi uyachecka 60%, actually 65% of the people who are committing suicide, it's males.
Now as a foundation sekukhona mhlawumbe izinto oziqalele lezi ezinye ngiyazibona lezi ezinye ngiyazibona, but njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-mental health yiyo lenganako kangaka. Wena as a foundation soqalile mhlawumbe khona into ezithizo sozenzile, if not ulindeni.
Okay, it's a beautiful question, very beautiful question. I made a covenant with God.
Yeah.
Ukuthi, you cannot give me this and not show me the way.
Sure.
Ukuthi ngiyophusha kanjani. So we had an agreement. We made an agreement.
Thina yabona lama black swethu siyawadubula yena kamnandi.
Yabona manje kuvele ezinye izinto, but we made I made an agreement with God. And I even informed my wife ukuthi lo nyaka lo ngiyagcina ukusebenza. Yeah. So whatever ingikhona ukuyithola ngi-accumulated towards pushing this vision.
Sure.
Ukuze ukuthi ibe success. The first program engiyenzile of which kimi yaqala ukwenzeka. Yabo kimi angazi kwezinto but kimi yaqala ukwenzeka, and of which I am going to continue to do it. I made a prayer for the elections. And I combined all the political parties for us to pray for the elections. You know, since it's on a very small scale, but manje I'm going to do it on a very bigger scale and bring all those people together, and then we pray for one common goal. Because now, bonke abantu bafuna ukulungisa imalahleni, but bonke abafuna ukuhlangana bayilungisa imalahleni. Yeah, understand into njalo.
Silungisa ngendlela zethu ehlukahlukene.
Yeah, mele silungisa imalahleni, but what are you doing ukulungisa imalahleni?
Yeah.
And enye into, I'm not trying lento yepolitiki ukuthi kokunye like ngifundile ngayi understand. Ne. Angeke sibe la kule room. Sibone ukuthi inkinga yilamanzi lawo. Ne? Bese so you asisuse lenkinga le eyamanzi while sikule room leli. Bese siyaphuma sima ngaphandle. Bese siba umsindo. Yeah, ngidlula lenkinga eyamanzi elapha phambi kwenu etafuleni. But we had an opportunity ukuthi si delay nale issue le while we are inside. Ongilalelile zongiva.
No, deep lento ikhulumayo vele nami ngifuna ukusho ukuthi abana manje ujulile ndoda.
Yeah, understand.
Lena it needs somebody to read between the lines ukuthi
You must
kahle
read between the lines ukuthi we need to be united. fix whatever we
fana nani lento le. Mina ngizokwenzela umzekelo ngezinje ezithu. Ngithola. Naye one ngathi bese lenye ngathi brakani nyana. Le mayibhodlela leni lencane nandi bese mase ifika le ibheka ngapha khani ihlulekile isesela iduzana lento leyo show nami ngize nenye mangabe bayangibamba kulezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo kokoshele mara space so comment asikhona kumele ba comment.
Yeah.
Kumele ba comment.
I think just to wrap up that,
Yeah.
kancane nje, if you would allow me.
Yeah.
I think let us focus on fixing imalahleni ngendlela right. And then let's not focus on opposition. But let's focus on solution. And let us appoint people in merit. Singa appoint umuntu ngoba ukwazi ucula ama slogans. Mara masima appoint ngoba umuntu uzokhona ukwenza umsebenzi right.
Yeah.
Makuba awuyenza umsebenzi right. Akakhishwe leyo muntu usatshwana.
Kufaka omunye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We know our issues, we know our problems, we know ukuthi inkinga ikuphi. As focusing kulapho siyenza into right.
Singasabi ukuthi hayi ngoba ubra wami ngizomkhuza njalo umkhuza umuntu ngoba kuloko kubhizi kuyamosheka kuyaphambili.
Sonke sifuna ukufisa imalahleni.
Yeah.
Sonke sithi sifuna ukufisa imalahleni. I don't know ukuthi mhlambe there should be another podcast for that. But sonke sifuna ukufisa imalahleni. Siyazazi inkinga zasemalahleni ukuthi zikuphi.
Sibhekene nazo everyday.
Asi focus kuzo. Singa focus to each other. As focus kuzo.
Focus on the challenges that we currently
Yes, now.
facing. Leave the person alone.
Leave the person alone.
Yeah.
And if ngoba kokunye phela when you enter into a leadership position, you must take unfamiliar decisions. Unpopular ones. Nalawa abangeke bakuthande ngawo. But if isizoloku sugarcoat izinto eziyinkinga, singa focus kuzo, and then sizoloku siba nale problem.
I've got like 2 questions before sivala ne.
Yeah.
I don't know mhlambe khona ezovumbuka ngale emva kwamakhamera because angeke siqede episode ingakavelanga.
Alright.
I've got like 2 questions. What are you hoping to achieve in the next coming 5 years, and what advice would you give your young self?
What I want to achieve in the next 5 years, I want to become the voice that will inspire people to focus on their purpose, to leave away the distractions and focus on whatever they need to do. That is what, if ngenze lokho, I think I'll be fulfilled.
And
empilweni.
then the second one, what advice would you give your young self? Now,
The best gift you can give yourself is to be loyal to yourself. Be loyal to your vision, be loyal to your dream, be loyal to yourself. Because the problem is now we become good people to other people, but we don't become good people, a good person to yourself.
That's very deep.
Uyathanda ukuthi wenzele abantu izinto eziright but wena ukhona ukuzenzela. Yeah. Just be loyal to your vision. That will pay you. Be loyal to your dream. That will pay you.
Your internet cafe, where is it found?
Okay, internet cafe. For now I operate. The reason why I operate, I moved from Lokshin to Siangoba. So I'm still looking for a proper space. Mara njengoba sekunale program ukuthi mabahambe. I think mele ngifonele umeya lapha ngithi imeya ungayi space lapha.
Yeah.
Yabona, because to be quite honest, let me just highlight this thing because really it really affects me. It affects me. It affects me. I'm becoming emotional. You know, kunama bylaws la kamasipalata that even the officials or kamasipalata don't understand. Number one, do you know ukuthi a requirement for istolo ekasi kose sibe 25 square meter? 25 square meter.
Sikhuluma ngesitolo
Istolo kumele sibe ne-25 square meter. 2, akumelanga uhlale kuleso stolo, akumelanga ulale kuleso stolo. 3, there's a certain structure emele usenze for that stolo to qualify. Maya ku department DDP, there is a bylaw for that.
I remember ngisho khona
Unfortunately, I'm gonna say that
yeah.
99% of all the Pakistan shops, they are not complying. And why is the municipality quiet? Why the municipality is quiet? Because the same bylaws about Fagayo, they are not even following them.
There was a time where
I can even challenge them. They are not.
there was a time where bayenza bayiyeka this thing yokurizona. If at all you've got a business, a charity, kuthiwa no, let's say I change from being a residential area to business because we're operating. Bayiyeke moyeni, I don't know why.
Actually, the practical. Mayagu by law, ADDP, kamasipalata. Umkikito, you can't put a structure.
Yeah.
Mangaphuma manje la, ngiyabona izitolo mhlawumbe ezi5 ezakhe isitolo isikikidile. You understand? But angeke uthole kune-TLB wisa zonke lezi zinto lezo. Wena umkasana uthi ufuna ukwakha i-building for business. Check lama requirements abazowafuna kuwo.
Le ndoda i-deep to an extent yonke into ayikhulumayo, especially the last parts. Zidinga ukuthi umuntu ayibheke ngelinye ilihlo because kude la siyakhona. Kude la siyakhona. Hence you suggested for another episode, and granted you'll get it.
Yeah, for sure.
You'll get it where we gonna now go deeper
into the issues is affecting.
Ungizwe kahle mangithe go deeper. We are a man of God. Must go deeper is one of the things ezenzakalayo, especially ema kerk. Muzi sesivala mfowethu anything that you think mhlambe will benefit our viewers njengoba bathethe isikhathi sabo bahlala babukela, anything from you to them. Nalaba bafuna ukuthola, yes, your social media handles and stuff like that.
My social media, Facebook, Muzikayise Nkosi, TikTok, Muzikayise Nkosi, I don't think ukuthi nginawo ama platform big.
Facebook or TikTok.
Yeah, Facebook kanye TikTok. Number yami is 081 707 6505.
Iphinde futhi.
081 707 6505.
Njengoba benza lapho ku radio bantu uyibuyelele kokugcina.
Okay, 081 707 6505. I consider myself as a public figure.
Sure.
Because wherever I am and wherever I go, I bring solutions.
Sure.
That's why if you are suffering from self-confidence, uzoba ne challenge ukuhlala nami roomini.
Yeah.
Because I'm inspired by solutions.
So uthi if you are suffering from self-confidence uzoba ne challenge. Ukuhlala umuntu uzoba ne challenge ukuhlala na akushuthi ngenswembu. Akushuthi ngenswembu uthami ngihleli nawe isikhathi eside slow. Should I don't suffer from confidence.
Yeah.
I've got
Actually, I've got a message for you, Guti. Continue to do whatever you are doing.
Sure.
This thing is something that will grow us. Yabo. But I will appreciate, Guti, sometimes you must bring a dialogue that will deal with the core issues.
Sure.
Zala emalahleni.
Hayi njengoba ukhuluma
Yabona le ndaba yesicamtho.
Yeah.
Le politics.
Sure.
You know, I let me just highlight this. The organization edala ikhona iyaqalwa ebusayo manje. I am a core member yayo. But there are things abantu abazifunayo. Abasafuna isicamtho. Sifuna leadership. So if you can't lead, shift the space in.
Those
Maumdala,
yeah.
Shift the space in. Mongana capacity,
yeah.
Shift the space in.
Unige
the next generation.
Because we understand the fact that whenever mabayenqa baqhankqalaza back then bebababiza ngama-chantliziyo.
Yes.
Now they are no longer chantlizios. Those are one of the things as a 013 SC that we aim to achieve in actual fact. Hence we are saying we're shooting blanks, no harm done.
Yeah.
We actually want to provoke conversations.
Yes.
You understand? Our conversations we must provoke us. So we're bringing in influential people like abanye ama-underdog njengoba mhlambe ngisho ukuthi abantu ababhaya mhlambe njengawe like us bazothi manje umuzi why uyangithola khona bazokufonela bakubize ngaliphi wena da 013 uyangithola but those are the things esi-ema ukuzi-achieve. I'm sure i-team ikuzwile ngalenselele bheka udla amazipho baba bazwile but nathi mhlambe we're hoping to see you going forward with Imuzi Kaisenkosi Foundation, and you'll also be maybe if not the first one, the second one, but maybe we don't know. You'll be the first foundation now to publicly deal with the boy child, because the boy child is neglected in a sense that I appreciate abanye lezi zinye izinto abazenzayo with regards to the what you call substance abuse but now when we deal with the boy child, I made a challenge to our previous guest Nabo Banama Foundation to say you are focusing mostly on girls. Ne? Can you focus? I think we will connect you with them. We will connect you with them because at the end of the day we want to see beautiful things and bring back the spark that used to be possessed by Malahleni.
Let me provoke something.
Yeah.
I'm born and bred like Malahleni.
Yeah. I'm peanut buttered and jammed.
Gunento kamasipalata bathi immoral regeneration.
Yes.
And I believe there is a budget for that.
Yeah. Sicela
ukuthi basinike leyo mali.
Yes.
Sisebenzise right.
Yeah.
Because asiyazi ukuthi leyo mali yapi.
Yeah.
And asifuna ungenelela ngoba so expose ezinye izinto. But when we do these foundations, we understand. Do you know ukuthi Malahleni it was once listed number 2 in South Africa for drug abuse?
I know. I know. The first one was Cape Town.
Why singa bekumele sidwala ama-rehab la sibe nama-program for immoral regeneration.
Inselele iyo le oyiphosela to our audience to say, give us. capacity as foundations so that we run with them. Hence, you alluded earlier on to say, if you don't have capacity to run a certain position, shifter. Ungene abanye akubangiswana
Akubangiswana.
angisho kwathiwa masemayinde into lebeza nayo after 1994 yini masakhani
Yeah.
but yaphelele emoyeni asakhani manje asakhani sizakha as ama individuals
Wathi uvukuzenzele.
yeah
Sesibazabalaze kangaka.
mfana yabona mina nawe the way sikhuluma ngakhona kushuthi indaba yethu angeke sivale. It's so interesting and it definitely needs another episode.
For sure.
It needs another episode, and the way ushaya ngakhona mfana ugijima tu kwesilako le slogan sethu, you're shooting blanks, no harm done.
That's true.
Because the truth needs to be told at the end of the day. So yeah, thank you very much, Muzikaise, for gracing us with your presence. It's really an honor. Mfo bengazi ukuthi hayikhona uyakhuluma. I didn't know. So it's about time now ngiyokuzwa ushumayela. And amasonto siyathanda ukwavakashela, but don't think on recruiting us. Because Tina, we are the sons of the soil of Emalahleni. We belong to every church. So yeah, uma susibonile sontweni lakho hayi 013 sonta kabi hey ungasoni. Nobody owns us. That is why senibiza nibaningi nibafundisi.
Actually, there's
Mina
no pastor who owns people.
yeah,
There's no pastor who owns the church.
Tina
It's
is
God who owns the church.
yes. Thina siniphethe bafundisi because lokhu ngihleli la nina niyatshintsha ngumbishop wenu uyangithola ngiyanigunda ngiyanikhatha ngiyanibiza ngiyanixosha. Yeah, with that said mfowethu, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Continue to like and subscribe to our pages. Njengoba ngikhuluma ama handles wethu ayalo kanja, and yay, before ngivala, there's a beautiful competition that we are doing on behalf of Maschaba Makua with her Let Her Grow invitation for a tea. Terms and conditions, they do apply. Ukuthi uyithola kanjani ke itikiti to see yourself being part and parcel of the audience ezobe ikhona i-event lapha e-Civic Theatre on the 22nd of August. What you need to do, tell us why you think you are fit enough to see yourself in that function uzohlala nabanye abomake niphunatha litiye. And two, be sure that you are a follower, you are a subscriber to our channels. I'm talking about TikTok, I'm also talking about Iloganje, our YouTube channel, and also on Facebook. And then 3, mawulitholile ticket lakho sizokutshela. And then you'll also have the opportunity to walk on the red carpet, rubbing shoulders with the keynote speakers abazobe bakhona lapha. I've forgotten some of their names. Igama elingidumela igama laka Mamkhoni Ferguson. Yeah. With that said, is 013 Golden Circle. Thank you very much. Siyabonga nami ngukhumza Stof Samalahla. Baba abantwana bayi4 signing out.